We are the dead. Short days ago we lived.